Come into your prayer position. Sit in any comfortable position. Bring your palms together. Press your palms well. Say your own silent prayer. And then inhale and lift your head up. Unfold your palms. Bring them on your closed eyes. Look down and then look up. Now today, you will be doing few more sitting asanas. Again, come into your Dandasana, that is your extended legs. Sit in your Dandasana and then bend your right leg knee. Take your right foot in completely. Push your foot in and try and hold your right toes with your left hand. Now you will be holding your left big toe with your left hand and exhale and bring your head down. So you are holding the bent knee, bent leg, your right leg is bent and you're holding with the same arm, right arm behind you, holding the big toe behind you, and your left extended leg with your left arm, and go into the pose. Ardha Baddha Padma Paschimottanasana. What are you doing? What is the name of this pose? It is Ardha Baddha Padma Paschimottanasana. You are doing the same on the left side. So your left leg knee is bent, folded along the groin line of your right side, and you're holding it with your left arm. Your extended right leg, foot, hold it well or go to the side of your foot with your anterior pelvic tilt, that is maximum arching to your back. You have folded forward. Now slowly release your bind, both your binds, extend your leg well. You are sitting in Dandasana. And now you will be attempting Marichasana. So fold your right leg knee, extend your right arm up, release the whole of your right side, and then take your right arm behind you, hold it with your left, clasp hold with your left, and bend forward, go forward. Bring your forehead onto your knee. See to it that the whole of you is extended down to the floor. And then slowly make your changes. Now your other leg is extended and you are bent to your left side. Do the same thing. This is Marichasana. Marichasana A. Find your complete exhalation over here. All the time your toes will be facing up to the ceiling and heel out, back of the knee extended. Slowly bring both your legs extended in Dandasana. And now you will be attempting a bent leg, Trayanga Mukha Ekapada Paschimottanasana. So your right leg is bent and extend your left leg. See it from front. So you will bend your left leg now and your right leg is extended. See to it that the knee is closed and both your buttocks are in the same plane. Hold the side of your feet, or you can do it with a belt around your foot, and then exhale and go down.